learn how to do multiplication with larger numbers than the usual times tables. So, to start off with, for higher multiplication, let's say we do 27 times 28. We take it step by step to make our process easier when multiplying. So, we first start off with this bottom number. So, 8 times 7 is 56. I can only put a 6 here because it can only hold one digit. And we put a 5 here. Now we do 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 5 is 21. And we do 21. And now we move over to this 2. And since it is in the tens column, we leave the 0, signifying that we have moved to the tens column. Now do 2 times 7 is 14. We put a 4 here. And we put a 1 here. Because you can only put one digit in each column. And I like to cross out the number at the top to make it easy for me to know which step I'm up to. So I know 5 is what I need to add to. Now 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And our next step is we plus these two together to get the answer. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So 27 times 28 is 756. 27 times 82. Remember, you only ever use the way I'm going to teach you to do multiplication when the numbers get too big for you to manually do it. So you always start off with this number. It is in the ones column. You do 2 times 7 is 14. You can only ever have one digit in this column, so you choose the ones. Then you put a little 1 above the 2, saying that you will add the 1. So you go 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Then you leave a 0 here because you are now moving to the tens column. The 0 signifies that you are now going to the tens column. Now you base all your multiplications off now the tens now. Now it's 8 times 7, which is 56. You can only ever have one number in each column, like that, as each column. So you choose the last one in this scenario. And since it's 56, you cross out that one because that's on the sum before. 56, you put a 5 above here because there were 5 tens and you can't fit any of the tens in this column. Then you go 8 times 2, which is 16. And then you add 5, which is 21. And you write 21 fully just like that, like shown here, because there is no more numbers that you can carry anything to. So if they were, let's say over here, if they were, you'd only have the 1 there. But in this scenario, you just put 21. You put the whole number with your last multiplication step. And then, after you do that, you add them together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 6 is 11, so you only put 1 there and you put 1 there. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus nothing is 2. So our answer is 2,214. And that is all.